Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Spiderman birthday card with alcohol markers. For today's project I'm going to need Neenah Classic Crest card. I created a panel that will fit on 5 by 7 inches card base. As you can see, I drew the outline of Spiderman and I've got a very small selection of alcohol markers, and these actually come from the Works, which are actually really cheap alcohol markers, so you don't really need very expensive supplies if you want to create your own version. If you struggle with drawing people or objects, I really suggest that you print a picture from the internet, use a tracing paper and put the image on your panel very lightly with a pencil, and then use any medium to color it in. For this one I actually decided to use alcohol markers because I haven't used them in a very long time and I really miss that. And to be honest, when a friend asked me to create a card for a 3-year-old boy that really likes Spiderman, I thought I don't really have any cutting dies or stamps with Spiderman, so yes, let's draw Spiderman. Why not? I really haven't done it in a long time, and yes, I really have to admit it, I absolutely loved how this card turned out and I really enjoyed the whole drawing process. As I said before, I haven't done it in a long time, and to be honest, I think I really have to do it more because it was so much fun to do. As you can see, there is always an ugly stage whenever you draw or paint, and at this point I didn't really like what I did. However, when then you add the black lines, it will really make a difference. So don't worry if you create something and you can see, oh, it is ugly stage, I don't really like it. Don't give up, because later on when you do that outline, it will really make a difference. So it was a long process. I think it took me about 45 minutes to draw entire Spiderman and the background, but it was so much worth it. And to be honest, I don't really use Neenah Classic Crest card, but it is perfect for alcohol markers, and I was really surprised with the effect because actually those alcohol markers didn't bleed and I didn't have those lines. They actually kept the lines. I'm not really sure if you know what I mean, but if you ever use like normal card, you will see that the color spreads on it. It doesn't really hold the shape and line where it should. And with Neenah Classic Crest card, it was absolutely amazing to work with, and I really have to use it more often. And yes, I really like it. And now you can see actually when we add those black lines, it makes so much difference to our design. What do you think? Have you actually ever drawn a handmade card for someone? If you have, what was it? Please let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, it doesn't really take that long, and you can also have an image next to your drawing, so then you can actually compare all the colors and where the shadows are, because this is very crucial whenever you do any drawing or painting, because you really want to have that realistic look. And yes, it is so much worth it. And I really wonder, what do you think about this card? Would you like to give it a go? If not Spiderman, maybe something else. Would you rather do, I don't know, butterflies, flowers? I'm really curious, so please let me know. Also, I'm not really sure if you've seen the card I made last week for Paper Mona, and she got 4,500 subscribers recently on her channel, so I thought, yes, I really want to make sure that she can keep something to remember that amazing achievement, and I made a very special card for her. Also, I made a playlist with all the personalized cards on my channel, and one of them is Rolex watch. I absolutely love making this card, and if you haven't seen it, the link is in the top right corner, so please check it out because it was so much fun to make. And I also wanted to tell you that today is the very last day for the blog hop I did with Box of Sunshine with Marta. And please, the link is in the description down below so you can have a look at the video, because if you watch all 5 videos and subscribe to all our 5 channels and comment under every single video, you can be entered for a very amazing prize, which is actually the box of sunshine. And I actually left all the links in the description down below to Marta's YouTube channel, her box, and everything else. So please check it out, because today is the very last day and you don't want to miss it, because the box is absolutely amazing. Now, as you can see, I'm drawing the background, which is super quick and easy. I'm literally just using very light blue for the sky, and I left some white for clouds. Super quick and easy. And now, to knead everything, I'm using my black pen and yes, do the outline. Now I decided to put the name in white and using the red background, because this way I will have that Marvel look. Because if you look at the logo of Marvel, it is actually white on red, and I thought, yes, that would be a really, really good idea. So I thought, why not? And if you want to make sure that all your letters are lined up, you can put them on a straight line on your glass mat where the grid is, and then use a washi tape or low tack tape. However, here I thought, no, I'm just going to go with the flow and do it the way, really quickly. So as you can see, you always start with one of the letters from any side, and then yes, I just trim the edges, and to add a little bit more dimension, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive, and I'm going to use it twice just for extra dimension. And I wonder, do you do that with your sentiments or names on your cards? Please let me know. I'm really, really curious. And yes, if you like this card, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that means so much for me. And yes, next week I will also have very personalized card for you, as usual, on Monday at 5:45 UK time. Now I die card number 3 because it is for the 3rd birthday, and I use dark blue color because I wanted all the colors to match. And to put happy birthday sentiment, I use everyday sentiments stamp from Crafter's Companion, and to stamp it I use black waterproof ink, and it is my very favorite black ink for any sentiments. I wonder, what is your favorite black ink for sentiments? Please let me know. And as you can see, I started with birthday first because it was longer word, and I wanted to make sure that everything has enough space. As you can see on the back of our Neenah Classic Crest card, we can see all the colors, but don't worry when we put it on our card base using liquid glue. And in this case, I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue. No one will ever see that the alcohol markers actually bled through, but that's absolutely fine. There is lots of space to write your sentiment inside, and the card is complete. Please, please let me know, what do you think about this project? Would you like to give it a go? Or maybe you would like to try to draw a different superhero. Oh, and who is your favorite superhero? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now!